How to create a January dump sticker on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a January dump sticker on your Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, what you have to do is simply find a sticker that you want to add to your story. For example, let me just go to my search bar here and then search for this account. So you can find different kind of stickers on their story highlights. So just tap on it. And as you can see here, you could find different kind of stories on their highlights. So let's say if I just want to add this sticker to my story, just tap on add yours. And then here you can add a few layouts. So let's say if I just choose the layout as 3 pictures. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 3 pictures from my gallery. So as you guys can see here, I've added some pictures from my gallery. Now all you have to do is adjust where you want to put this. So if your friends tap on it, they will also be able to add the story to their highlights, or they could also add the sticker to their story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.